Hey, bruh. The line in and out be long as shit. Like the drive through and inside is always deep as hell unless I go late at night. I haven't been in and out in so long, bro. Like so long. I woke up today and I was like, damn. I'm in the mood for some in and out. First of all, I almost left the house without my camera, bro. I left out the house and I was like, nah, I'm gonna record once I get back, blah, blah, blah. But I'm like, bro, what if I end up outside and I start doing a bunch of shit and I'm like, damn, I could have recorded all of this shit. So then I fixed it and I was like, nah, I'm going back to the crib and I'm going to go get my fucking camera, bro. You know what I'm saying? You see how I'm trying to make sure this an everyday thing? I gotta keep getting in the habit and fixing it as soon as I see me bullshitting. I was about to bullshit today. Not necessarily bullshit like not make a video, but like I was about to bullshit in the sense of not bringing my camera and I'm leaving the house. It's like, nigga, you're leaving the house. Go get your fucking camera before I get mad. Normally, I don't even like In-N-Out French fries. I know a lot of people don't even like In-N-Out. Some people don't like their fries. When I first tried In-N-Out fries, I was like, bro, this shit trash. But like as you eat them and you get accustomed to them, they not as bad. But when I first had these shit was like chalk, like a piece of chalk. But these is freshly cut fries. You could see them like cutting them, dropping them in the water, throw that bitch in the fryer. These fresh as shit. The burger's fresh, everything be fresh. So like, this shit low-key healthier than like a lot of fast food restaurants. I'm not saying it's like that, like healthy or not unhealthy, but the shit they use be fresh, bro. I think that's why some people don't like it, cause they want the McDonald's shit, the stuff they got all the extra chemicals in it. Just too real for them. I got the ERL shirt on that I copped yesterday. Good tea. I don't know what I'm doing today. I think I gotta go to IKEA. Well, not I think. I do gotta go to IKEA because that's where I get like all my hangers to like hang up my clothes and shit. They don't let you record in IKEA though. I tried to record in IKEA a couple times and they be like, sorry, you can't record in here, and that shit wild. Like, why I can't record in IKEA? But also I was gonna go to the storage unit to go like put the packages there and like set it all up, but I kind of woke up late this morning and had to edit the video, so I didn't get a chance to go. They close at 3, so I'm gonna go tomorrow. So I'm not gonna go to the I'm not gonna go to storage today. But yeah, I'm about to eat this food because I'm starving and I like literally woke up today wanting In-N-Out. I don't know why, but so I'm about to crush this and watch some YouTube real fast.
And nothing tell the truth like the eyes will. Live so much for others, don't remember how I feel.
What's up, y'all? So this is my bag from IKEA. I told y'all you can't record in there, so I just was in there like walking around looking at damn near everything. Like I literally was in that joint just looking at shit that I don't even need. Like, the crazy thing is, I know I'm gonna have to go back to IKEA because I'm trying to like get stuff for the crib that I really need, no cap. So I'm trying to, once I get all this stuff to the storage unit and I kind of start getting it together in here, like really organizing, I'll really see what I really need. Because I was in there today, I'm like, damn, IKEA got hella shit, like kitchen stuff, fucking, like I know they got hella shit that I probably need in the crib, like for real. So I know I'm gonna make a trip or two there again. The stuff that I just really needed out of IKEA was really just hangers, but then I ended up getting like a couple more things. So I was like, I'm gonna show y'all what I got out of IKEA, you know what I'm saying? First thing I got out of IKEA, bruh, I got a dog, bruh. I got a pet dog. Say what's up, bruh. Say what's up to the gang, bruh. Say what up, bruh. He a little shy, bruh, so, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I paid $25 for bro, you know what I'm saying? I paid $25 for bro. He shy, he don't want to talk. It's cool, bro. Maybe he could talk in another episode or something. But y'all tell me what name I should name, bro. I don't know what name to give him yet. I got one name in my head, but I want to see what I should name him. Let me see. I got a name in my head though. It just like randomly popped in my head when I was in IKEA. I was like, damn, what should I name, bro? But yeah, I got dog. This trying to prep me for having a real dog, bro, because I low-key want like a dog or something. So this prepping me. I'm like getting some practice in, you know what I'm saying? So gotta take bro for a walk, make sure he eating shit, you know what I mean? But yeah, first, so I'm gonna show y'all some of this stuff. Well, hangers, y'all already know what the fuck hangers look like. IKEA be having these wooden hangers, and I already have some in my closet now, so I was just like, I don't want to get a bunch of different hangers in my closet. I don't like plastic hangers no more. Like those plastic hangers, like the white, black, all the different colors and shit, I don't like those at all. I've been stopped using those. I like wooden ones because it just make the pieces in my clothes feel like they mean more, you know what I'm saying? I feel like plastic hangers is just for like shit that you don't care about or something. I don't know, that's just like a thing that I got in my head. I don't like the way plastic hangers look in my closet, so I got some wooden ones. I think I got like 4 of these, I think, and it's like, I think I got like four of these shits. Yeah, I got 4 of them. And then the next thing I got was some shit for my bed, like bed sheets and stuff. I be looking for somewhere to buy bed sheets, and I be going to Target and stuff, but I don't like the way they fucking bed sheets feel, bro. Them shits feel cheap and flimsy, and it throw me off. So I was like, bro, I need to get some more like bed sheets or something. So I got some white bed sheets right here. I got a queen size mattress, so I got some bed sheets right here. I like the way these feel. I ain't gonna lie, maybe some of y'all might not like it, but this feel like hotel sheets, and I like the way hotel sheets be feeling. It just feels so, I don't know what it feel like. I like hotel sheets the way they feel, so that's what this feel like. So I got some of these joints right here. It's the fitted, I think it's the fitted. It's the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, and then some pillowcases. But I don't think I'm gonna use the pillowcases because this other thing I got has pillowcases. So the next thing I got was this right here, and it's a duvet or some shit like that, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all, I don't be knowing what none of this shit is. I be learning shit from what girls be having, bro. Guys out there, fellas out there, best advice, bro, if you really want to learn how to like get stuff for your house or like shit we don't normally think about, bro, all you gotta do is talk to a girl, hang around a girl or some shit, bro. They'll put you on this different shit that you ain't know that you needed. And you be like, damn, I fuck with this, where you get this from, type shit. So I be seeing girls having like the little duvet weighted blanket shit, so whatever the fuck that shit be, and I be like, damn, bro, I need some shit like that. So I got a duvet cover. It's like these white, not white, it's like these blue stripes. I don't know, I like the way it look. Y'all can't really, oh, y'all can see it a little bit. I don't know, I like the way this joint looks. So once I put it on my bed, if I don't like it, then I'm gonna just find another one. But y'all let me know where else I could get some like fire duvets, if it's some girls in here, or even if it's some fellas, y'all know where to get this type of shit from. But yeah, I got this, the duvet covers. Then I got this the actual duvet. So you put this on top of this, and it's like a weighted blanket type of thing, I guess. I think we getting somewhere. We moving on up in life, bro. We becoming a more responsible adult every single day, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So we locked in. Yeah, I got this joint right here. This is a lamp. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all can't really tell from the picture, but wait, is this upside down? No, it's not upside down. This is the lamp. I might unbox this and put it up now. I don't know if I feel like doing this right now, but yeah, I got another lamp because the one that I got right here, I'm gonna probably put in my room, and I'm gonna have this one up front. I've been trying to figure out how to do the lighting and shit in here as well, so I'm just like fucking around with different shit. So if I like this, then it's a W, because I don't gotta go search for nothing else. But if I don't like it, I had to go find something else. It has like an LED light in it. You don't never gotta change the light bulb and shit like that. I like simple stuff, bro. So once they said that, I was like, bet. And I like the way it look. It's like silver or some shit. Maybe I'll put it up. Maybe I'll put it up. Y'all see the shirt? Told y'all I got the shirt. I like the way this joint fit, bro. It's like super loose. It's comfortable. It's like one of the shirts where you forget you even have it. Like, it sound weird, but you forget you have another shirt on. Like, it felt like another skin, or like you walking. I don't know, bro. That sounded crazy, saying another skin. That's trippy. But I don't know. It's super comfortable though. Like, I just like the way it fit. You kind of forget the shirt is there. Like, I don't. That's the best I can explain it. It just fit good. I like the way it fit. All right, y'all. So we're gonna open this joint right now. I don't know where my knife at, bro. So I'm gonna have to. this open like that. I like an easy setup, man. Let this be an easy setup. Hey, nah, that was the quickest, easiest setup just now, bro. All I had to do was screw some shit at the bottom, screw this shit at the top, push this down. Now all I gotta do is plug this joint up, I think. All I needed was this joint right here to like screw shit, and then they just gave me like extra screws. Tight shit. Let me see. What is this, like elevated over here? Let me see. Oh, and it's a dimmer. Oh. I'm gonna turn these lights off too first. Let's. All right, we about to turn this joint on, y'all. Y'all ready? We about to turn it. Why this low key look relaxing though, bro? Hold on. Why I feel like I should say some like motivational shit right now with the light off like this. Like, look at the reflection of the. Hold on, bro. I'm about to spit some motivational shit to y'all, bro. Whenever you want to make it in life, just know you have to put in the hard work. It doesn't come overnight. Neck ass. Let me see. Oh, that's valid. Oh yeah, that's valid. I just gotta find the right spot to put it in. I'm not no interior designer or nothing like that, and like a lighting expert, but I just know that lighting definitely determines how your like the area that is lit, how it feels, and all that other stuff, like the emotion it give off and all type of shit. So I'm trying to make sure that the lighting is straight. I think where I just put it at, like that, the lamp that I just bought is what's lighting the room right now. I think where I just put it at is a good spot though. I just got to get everything else situated in the crib so I can like see it, you know what I'm saying? But right now I feel like this is a cool spot, bro. I think I found this like TV stand I want to use. It's not necessarily a TV stand, I don't think it is, but I'm about to show y'all. I think I fuck with it. I was trying to figure out while I was at IKEA if it was gonna work with the couch color, but after looking at it, I think it'll be hard. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. It's like this like locker room type of thing, hold on. It's like this like locker room type of table. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see that? I think y'all can see it, but yeah, it's like a locker room, like a blue locker room type of like desk, and I feel like I could put that in front of the couches and put a TV on top of it, because it'll look sweet with the iPod mirror, and when I put some art on the wall, like I feel like it'll look sweet. So I think I'm gonna go back to IKEA. I don't know if I'm gonna have time. I should have time tomorrow. I might go back to IKEA and get that just to, you know what I'm saying, see what it look like, because that, if that works in here, that'll be fire. IKEA be having some low-key shit. Hey IKEA, if you watching this, can y'all sponsor me for a video, or like let's do an ad, or let's do something, bro? Like I'm trying to get my crib together, and y'all got the pieces, man. You know what I'm saying? Lock in with me.